it's Renee Starms here, and I have a question for you. Do you consider your training, or like when you purchase a program, do you consider it an investment or an expense? I ask this question because based on your perspective of it, you are either going to use it and apply it and just move forward with it and get results, or you're just really gonna kind of sit on it and not really take action. But now you have to understand that in this particular industry, any training that you purchase is actually an investment, because all the knowledge and the skills that you acquire over time are definitely things that you are going to use and that are going to push you forward and create you or make you a stronger authority. So I would encourage you to think of any training that you buy as an investment. It's never really an expense, because what you should automatically know to do is once you've consumed that training, you want to go out and teach it, and that generates income, or you want to go out and do it and that generates income. So that's definitely, those are two marks of an investment all day long. That's what an investment is, and that's exactly what your training is. So just keep that in mind as you move forward. Thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you soon.